What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing some saddlebag guards for the rear on the CVO ST. Now I picked up these from eBay. They're from TCMT. They're supposed to be pretty spot on, similar to the Harley Davidson, but at a fraction of the price. And yeah, decided to give it a try. Check them out. Let's see. I just got the package in today. So we'll be opening those together. Well, as you all can see, they're nicely packaged, so they have some padding on top, some support. Now there's something in here that it looks like is the red, the ones I ordered. So I went with the color red to kind of match what's on the bike already. More padding, protection. Okay, so here it is. This is one of them on the side. Alright, this looks like is the right side, to saddlebag on the right. Now as you can see, is gloss black, and it doesn't look too bad. It is not perfect. So we'll see what it looks like once they're on. Looking at the other ones, the color matches pretty identical to it. It's very identical. It's just not perfect powder coating. I wouldn't call this the best, but for sure it will pass. These were only about 180, 185 or so. So I think they will do. Let's start with the installation. All right, first things first, we're gonna remove these saddlebags. Open them up. Once you remove the bag, you expose everything. That's the second bag. Now, you guys have to take the cowl and the seat off. So this piece right here, you just take this nut off right here, and this comes right off just like if you had a passenger rear pillion seat. Once you have the seat off, You're gonna see everything exposed now. Now you're gonna go to the side right here. Not sure if it's required, but I don't want to scratch anything, so I'll be removing the covers. And these just pull them off, just like the previous models. Same thing comes off. Do the other side. I really love this Fast Johnny right here. This really nice. Underneath the clear gloss as well. Alright, so once that is removed, you're going to be mounting your bags to this one right here. You're going to have to cut this piece to install them. Okay, so after trying to do the test fit, we're gonna be cutting right here, the rail. Not too much, maybe about an inch or two away from the curb. So around here, so. All right, guys. So after cutting it, as you see, cut this piece off of it. Now you're gonna grab your saddlebag guard and you're gonna attach it right there. So it just slides in, just like that. Once you slide it in, you're gonna secure it down here, this hole, and lock it down, and then go up here and do this one as well on the frame. When you install the bolts, don't forget to put some Loctite. I usually use red for parts that aren't really gonna be moving around too much. I know it's stronger, but I don't plan on touching them. So I put a little bit of red. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a tiny little drip. Then we put that one on top. And I like to pre-install the stuff, so I don't really go down and install the piece right away. I'll come over here and then get the bottom one as well, and I'll install that one. So it's the bottom bolt. So a little bit of Loctite. Go. Put it right through. That's what it's gonna look like once it's on there. Actually, very close fit. It's not a perfect fit. It doesn't look like it's a perfect fit, but I don't see why this one doesn't work compared to the $400 Harley Davidson ones. So we go back again with the 916 socket, 916 wrench to the bottom. put the knot behind. These birds are very chatty today. Chatty birds. So let's tighten up the top one a little bit. Okay, with the top one tightened down all the way, then we go and tighten the bottom one. Finish this side up. Okay. All right, so now we got to put these on. These go right here on the side, both sides. But I personally do not like how the bolts are just regular, you know, silver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be spray painting these black and then installing it. Alright, so what I like to do is I just grab a piece of box, put 2 holes and put the bolts right through. And then just spray paint these. I use a quick 5-minute one. And then after that I like to touch it up with some enamel, some high gloss. And that'd be it. I'm gonna do the other side while this is drying up, and we'll be back. All right, so we got this side on there as well. Same process as the other side. And they actually look very nice. Changes the look of the bike, that's for sure. Now, the glue should be dry now. Grab them. They got black ones. Should be ready. So right now, first things first, we're gonna put the covers back on, and then after we put the covers on, we're gonna get everything else going back on the same way, reverse as it came out. Alright guys, so this concludes the installation of the saddlebag guards. This is what they look like once they're on the bike. Very nice. They're anodized black, red, sorry. Now the other side, same. Makes the bike look a lot better than when it first came stock. So that's what it looks like. Let's go from the front. That's what it looks. Alright guys, if you guys have any questions, I'll be posting the link to these saddlebag guards, the rails, and I will check in with you guys later. Next will be the license plate, because this is ugly right here. I'm going to be modifying that, removing it, putting the smaller one, shorter. So that's next on the install. But overall, loving this bike so far. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.